Hi beavers, hi monkeys. So today we're going to be taking the E sound. It's like the E sound we took in the other presentation. So E and E makes the E sound, long E, and also the E and A digraph makes the E sound. Like I can read. So it's tricky, but we say E, we don't say the A sound. So read. So I can read E words. Tea, tea. She has a cup of tea. See. So here see, it's E-A. It sounds like see, how we see with our eyes. But this has a different spelling and a different meaning. Let's see the meaning. He can fish in the sea, or you can swim in the sea. So see with two E's, it's how we look or we see with our eyes, and sea is where we swim. Meal. My mom will cook the meal. Meal, it's like lunch, dinner, breakfast. Leak. So what is the meaning of leak? The pipe has a leak. A leak, it's like a small hole in a pipe. Leak. Beat. Beet. Remember in our last presentation, we read also beet, the vegetable, beet. Here also it sounds the same, but it's written differently and it has a different meaning. The man can beat the drum. Beat here with EA, it's like you hit the drum. Beet with EE, it's like the vegetable. Seal. This is the seal. The gray seal will play. So this is our slide of the presentation. You have the worksheet. Now I want you to divide the words with EE and also makes the sound E, and EA also makes the sound E. They sound the same, they have a different meaning, and they are written differently. Okay, boys and girls, good luck. We miss you.